Hi, welcome to Kisi Unlocks, where we explain the ins and outs of access control and show you how to get the most out of your Kisi system. My name is Lawrence, and today we'll be going over panic buttons, the benefits of using them, and how to install them and connect them to Kisi. Panic buttons are electronic devices that can be easily activated to summon help or assistance in emergency situations. They're easily accessible to individuals and can be discreetly hidden for safety purposes. These buttons are connected to a security system and send a signal whenever a button is pressed. Some designs include hold switches, which activate an extra function when multiple buttons are pressed. Panic buttons can be used to track people's whereabouts, check up their well-being, or be used as an alert when in dangerous situations. In occupations that have potentially hazardous environments, like security guards and healthcare professionals, having a panic button is essential. With Kisi's intrusion detection system, panic buttons can be set up with zones to trigger alarms, capture video surveillance, or notify predefined contacts. This integration enables a comprehensive security approach, combining the immediate response of panic buttons with advanced surveillance and communication benefits. In comparison to other methods like dialing a phone, panic buttons are a quick and convenient way to summon help that ensures a rapid response. They can also be discreetly integrated into the environment, minimizing the risk of escalation in dangerous scenarios. Lastly, they help enhance the security of individuals and communities. To install a panic button, we will need a Kisi controller, a panic button, wires, and a flathead screwdriver, and optionally a spare relay to connect the siren to. In this example, I will be using a Potter Hub T 2-button hold-up switch. Unplug power to the Kisi Controller Pro before wiring. Identify the general inputs located on the left side of the controller. Note, 2 input pins share one ground pin. Refer to the panic button manual to identify the COM or common and the NC or NO, normally closed or normally opened, wires on the panic button. Depending on your panic button, you may have a hold-up switch, allowing you to trigger a different function when 2 buttons are pressed simultaneously. Refer to the manual to wire this. Note that polarity does not matter when wiring this button, so the 2 wires can be swapped. Wire the input pin on the controller to the positive or NC or NO wire of the panic button. Wire the GND pin of the controller to the negative or COM wire of the panic button. Verify that all connections are secure and that there are no loose wires. If your panic button has a hold-up switch, assign the remaining wires to another input. Now we can repower the Kisi controller and set up the panic button on the web dashboard. Go to Kisi. Click on Places and select your current place. Click on Doors, Add Door, and create an arbitrary door for the panic button. Return to the left tab and click on Hardware, Controllers, and select the controller the panic button is wired to. Scroll down to Inputs and select the input number the panic button is wired to. Under Type, select Request to Exit. Click on Search Door and select the previously created arbitrary door. Click on Duration and type in an arbitrary small number. Under Action on Access, select Unlock Door. Under End of Line Type, select the option that matches your wiring. Enable the toggle. Click Save. In order to use this panic button for intrusion detection, we will need to switch over to the Intrusion Detection tab on the Kisi web dashboard. On the left tab, click on Intrusion Detection. Click Add Zone and type a name for this panic button. Under Alarm Type, select the alarm type that matches your setup. Kisi Intrusion Detection means that the alarm siren is directly wired to the Kisi controller on a spare relay. Third-party alarm integration means that a third-party alarm control panel is wired to the controller. Scroll down to Doors and click Add Door. Click on Search Door and select the arbitrary panic button door. Keep exterior door toggled off. Click Add. Click on Alert Policies and type in the email of anyone this panic button should notify. Click on Hardware if you plan on wiring an alarm siren to the panic button. If using Kisi intrusion detection, under Siren Relay, select the relay the siren alarm is wired to. Under Arming Delay, define how long the alarm controller should wait before arming. Under Alarm Schedule, configure the schedule for when this panic button should be active. Define the start time and the end time. Under Default Mode, select Away. Under Override on Access, select one of the options. Your panic button is set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Check out the description below for more resources. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. Subscribe to this channel to stay updated on the latest in access control and physical security.